All right, so we just like happened to be driving by the highway on I-15 and we saw an RV show, and it happens to be the nation's largest used RV show, so let's go shop for a new home. Ah. What the heck? This is like honestly how the other half lives. Us in our like small trailer, and then there's this. Oh my god. Here, let me see.
So look, I can't touch the ceiling, which is crazy. I feel like that's nuts.
Yeah,
I'm like super used to like not being able to like reach my hands out.
Literally in ours, like I could like lift my head up and probably touch the ceiling, so this feels kind of nuts. Hi, I fit in the closet. Oh my god. Our closet's like tiny.
No, full length mirror too. Wow, that's exciting.
I like physically don't think I would know what to do with this much space. Like we can't even fill up our like 24-foot trailer. This is crazy. I can fit in the closet. I could literally sit and shave my legs and not like struggle like I do in our trailer like this. Oh my god.
I feel like they probably should have cleaned all this out before they decided to sell it. There is so many dead bugs on this.
Oh.
I feel like they probably should have cleaned that before they decided to like put this up for sale.
Might have been a good idea. I feel like I could cook like a whole meal here. Look at this. Oh my god. There's metal in the microwave though, so that might be some kind of like newfangled fancy microwave I'm not really understanding, but it's literally inside, so I'm not really understanding that, but literally nuts. So basically we're just choosing to go in all the ones that don't have men in them. Honestly, like salesmen or just browsing men. I haven't really seen any women here, so there's probably women too, but been a lot of men in some of these trailers and I'm kind of avoiding that. All right, there's no men in this one now. There was like a bunch in here earlier and I didn't want to come in, so now I get to see it.
There's like lights that go on automatically around here.
Oh my god, when I like walk by?
Yeah. Look, there's like going on this.
You know, I kind of like that toilet though. I want to get a new toilet.
You like this toilet specifically?
No, it just looked kind of round, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Ours is kind of creepy. Yeah, see, men, literally men everywhere, evidence. I gotta look in the fridge though. I love to look at like a big, oh my god, I wouldn't know what to do with it. I would, I'd just put food in it, but
Yeah, I think that's what you
I think that's what you do with the fridge. Oh yeah, I've never been in a Class A. Oh, and vans too, let's go everywhere. I have officially never been in a Class A, so if we were gonna upgrade our rig, honestly, we would probably upgrade to a Class A, but the problem is like they cost a lot of money and we do not have a lot of money, so we're gonna kind of see what it would be like if we did have money. Okay. Do I look like I know what I'm doing, or? I'm not really sure. Actually, this seems intimidating. I feel like I would be in more than one lane, but I don't even like driving the big truck. So this would be like, I'd be a passenger in this one. Truthfully, like the only kind of trailer we would ever consider is like a Northwood, like an Arctic Fox, or a Nash, like what we have. So
Or
we're
outdoors.
just gravitating towards all these. Or outdoors RV too, we like them too. Same company though. This one's kind of crazy. You can literally get out of your bed and literally, like, the shower is in your bedroom and there's like no separation whatsoever. Kind of not really my vibe, even though I love Northwood, but maybe not this one. It's kind of fun for somebody, you know?
Yeah.
But for someone. It's haunted, I think. The door closed.
This would actually be nice to
I
like.
know. Like, you're like surrounded. This would be like Nico's bird watching area. He gets it right here. I feel like this is like the exact same thing we were just in, so.
Yeah, I think this is the exact same
Were
one.
we in this a second ago? Oh my god.
Wait, were we in this
Were
one?
we in this one a second ago?
Yeah, we were already in this one.
Oh, okay, yeah. Never mind. False alarm. We've been in this one. It's not for tall people. See, this situation is probably something I could never do. I think I'm spoiled by like our RV shower, so like, which isn't even that big or nice, but this one I would like panic if everything got wet. Alright, so we've been in like 100 RVs today, and I think I can confidently say I like mine the most. I like my Northwood Nash, it's super cute, and not like there's anything wrong with the other ones, but like mine just feels more like home, I think because like the renovations I did and everything, but definitely not in the market anytime soon for a new home. Alright, so we got our little like fancy setup. If you're ever in Utah, they have these places called like Harmon's. It's kind of like a fancy grocery store, so I don't do like a lot of shopping there. But the sushi's really good, and like I even eat like the raw sushi from them, which I wouldn't really do from most grocery stores.
Yeah.
But it's really good. So we got salmon lover bento box, which is just like salmon roll.
Yeah.
Then I got the salt crunch roll, which is like a shrimp tempura roll with like crab salad and some fancy stuff on top. I don't know what makes it Salt Lake crunch roll, but it's really good. I've had it from other grocery stores, so that's what we're getting. It's honestly good. Like, yeah, it's pretty good. Okay. I get 2 of these, you get 1 of these. You get that, and I get 1 of these.
Sure.
I think that's